So, Namaste. Happy Independence Day. Today is the Independence Day special. Bye. Thank you, universe. So, what is actually independence? We are celebrating Independence Day. The nation got independence. Now, what is actually independence? Basically, we should feel independent from our inside. It starts from you to your family, from your family to your state, your district, your country, your state and your country, right? And the whole universe. It starts from you and ends at outside. So we all are extrovert. We never thought of inside what the change can be brought. When you speak about independence, need to ask how much I am independent, how much I am independent in concern of my health, my wealth, happiness, and it's a whole my life. When I'm independent and when I'm self-dependent, your independent is basically self-dependent. How much I am self-dependent? When you know how much you are self-dependent in terms of your life, when your life comes, definitely your health. When you come for health, how much you are self-dependent and how much you are independent from the medicines, doctors, and outside world. When you are enjoying your good health, you are self-dependent. When you are depending on the doctors, when you are depending on others, you are not independent. You are depending on some outside who is controlling your health. Once he starts controlling your health, then it controls your thought, then it controls your wealth, then it controls your happiness. That means you have given your what is thread of control of a life to someone who is controlling. Those start from health. Now what I should do? Okay, I am self dependent on my health. Some regular routines, some yoga, whatever you are feeling. Once your body active and you take for good health, you should do exercise, good food, good thought, good habits. All these things is connecting with your good health. When you are enjoying your good health, you are not depending on anyone. Now that comes again wealthy. When you are enjoying your health, you are able to create. Already I have given some series. You are able to think creativity. You are able to put your energy for your productivity. You are able to put your energy for the creation. So when you create and you give energy and you focus, you are able to concentrate, you create your own wealth, right? You are not dependent. Now you are self-dependent. And when you both you have your health, good health, enjoying, and good wealth, whatever you feel like to do with your money, and whatever you feel like to enjoy your life with your wealth, whether it is a luxury life, whether the requirement of your life, you are able to enjoy, then your happiness is inside of you control. That means you need to be self-dependent. When you start, you at your home, you as a your family member, you as a your family leader, you enjoy this dependency, self-dependency, or independent from this thing. You control your family. The same way where you are coming. When you control your family, it reflects at your organization where you work, at your school, college where you study, at your association where you associate, at your nation where you are involved as a responsible citizen of India or responsible citizen of a country. It starts from you. It starts from us, and your independence start from here. The first ingredient is your health, good health, right? When this we are going, now you ask yourself, are you really independent? When you are celebrating your independent day, independent, take a promise or make yourself commitment. I am going to be self-dependent from today. When you are celebrating outside, you become extrovert. Today we have enjoyed Independence Day, tomorrow we forgot what had happened. And again the same routine you followed, again into the same trouble, I am problem. Be introvert. Instead of extrovert, be introvert. What we are thinking, now nation independence, then may independence who are? No. When I am independent, my nation is becoming independent. Definitely nobody can make you to depend on them, right? So become self-independent. When this is happening, now you have a very good questions for yourself for your Independence Day. For your Independence Day, I have a questions, good questions for you. Ask yourself, have I loved myself? Have I loved myself today? Ask yourself question, have I loved myself today? Have I taken have I taken care of myself today? Have I taken care of myself today? Have I done something good for me today? Am I responsible? When you feel that whatever it is happening with you, whether it is in school, whether it is in organization, whether it is nation, whether it is your surrounding, anything is happening. When you ask question, am I responsible for this? When you ask yourself question, it's a self question, self-assessment questions. If you ask, am I responsible for this? When you ask yourself, you will find yes. For all this thing is happening around you and happening to you, you are only the person who is responsible for this. When you ask this question first, am I responsible? Then how am I responsible? Then comes when you ask this, you found yes, you are the responsible person. Then how am I? How am I responsible for this? When you dig into that, you will find where you are the mistake. And it has happened because of you. Enjoy your Independence Day. Thank you very much.